So I want to share with you guys something that happened to me the other day. Now, as a lot of you may know, my daughter has a disability. She has a liver disease and she is waiting on a liver transplant. Up until a little over a month ago, I was working full time, and so was my husband. I left my job because the stress was really getting to me. It had become just way too much. So I decided that I was going to take some time off just to be with my daughter during this time, because she's going to the doctor roughly twice a week in Birmingham, and we also have two other school-age children. So, since I left my job, our income changed a bit, and I wasn't sure that I was going to qualify, but I decided that I was going to apply for WIC. Now, my daughter, she drinks Pediasure. She's not able to drink just regular milk, and that's where she gets her primary source of nutrition. Unfortunately, insurance won't pay for it. She drinks about 6 a day, so the off-brand is about $9 plus tax. The brand is about $11 plus tax. So that's roughly between $70 and $80 a week at least. So, but we've been managing, it's fine. She's not on Social Security or disability. We may apply, I'm not really sure right now, but back to the WIC. So, just want to let you guys know that as long as I've been working age, the age of 15, I've always worked. Sometimes 2 jobs. I always pay my taxes, and, so is my husband. So, I just decided I would call instead of just showing up, down to the health department and kind of see what the qualifications were for WIC. So, I get a lady on the phone, and I just ask some general questions. What will I need to bring? So, she tells me that I need to bring proof of income. So, I say, well, I don't have proof of income because I haven't worked, in the last 30 days. And she told me, well, you have to have proof of income. Not really sure how I was going to make that work. But, she says, well, you have a husband, you can bring his proof of income. I said, okay, that's fine. She then proceeds to question me about, if I don't have a job, how am I going to pay my bills? Hang on. So now, by this time, I have questions, because I'm pretty sure she's a receptionist, number 1. Number 2, I need to know how it's any concern of hers how I'm going to pay my bills. This, I think, is why a lot of people don't apply for public assistance. Even when they've paid into the system their whole lives, they don't want to be shamed. Like, how presumptuous of her to ask me how I'm going to pay my bills. If she's so concerned about the way I'm going to pay my bills, she can have my address and send me a check, which I'm pretty sure she's not going to do. But, regular, just working people, hardworking people like me who've always had a job, just happen to have a child with a disability, and just seeing if I'm eligible for some help, I get shamed off the top. And I just want to share that with you guys. I hung up. I have not been down to the WIC office. I just really don't think that I can put myself through that, because I don't think that's going to be the worst of it. I know they have jobs to do, and they have to verify your income and things like that, how many people work in your household, and I understand all of that. But I'm not willing to be shamed just for trying to get some assistance. So I'd like to know your thoughts on it. Tell me what you think. Southern Mocha Mommy.